What did you guys think of that?
I think that was loud.
Yeah. Was that cool?
I want to come next time.
Yeah.